If you have created a playlist on YouTube and wish to rename, edit, or even delete it for reasons best known to you, at the end of this video, you will know exactly how to go about that. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. Head to your channel. This is my channel. Click on the human icon or your profile picture at the top right hand corner. Click on your channel. Click on customize channel. We are still on your channel. At the left hand corner, click on playlist. At the left hand corner here, click on playlist. You can see where the mouse is hovering. Click on playlist. These are my playlists. Yours should be showing now. These are mine. Click on the pencil icon close to the playlist you want to either rename, edit, or delete. Click on the pencil icon. This is the playlist now. Click on the pencil icon closer to it again. Next to it is a pencil icon. Click on it. Now you can edit or rename this particular playlist. This is where you do that and save. Make sure you save. To delete a playlist, click on the three dots. Click on these three dots. This is the drop down menu. Get down to the last one, which is delete playlist. This is how you can either rename a playlist, edit it, or delete it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.